This is from IKEA. This smells so good.
Place above, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But
Ayaw ko.
to blow back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since
Ayoko na ikwento kasi parang ang babaw. But, sige na nga, dahil mapilit kayo.
my eyes asleep, I'm locked inside this daydream.
Progress dito sa condo. Inassemble na ni Eden. Well, tinapos niya na yung bed. Itong bed na to, this is from IKEA. Meron lang din siyang drawers dito na pwede kong lalagyan ng mga damit. In-install niya na rin yung binili kong aircon. Kasi ito, papalitan to sa madumi. Mamimili kami ni Mama, kaya kami nandito kasi wala pa talagang gamit and stuff. Kaka-uwi lang namin yesterday. Kakarating lang namin Philippines. And sa totoo lang, grabe yung jet lag ko. Inaantok ako. Pero uwi na kasi si Mama kasi Papa bukas ng Bicol. So wala na kaming ibang time or like day para mamili ng mga stuff. So actually kanina nag-grocery na kami sa Landmark. Bilang pag-vlog guys kasi nantok pa ako.
Hi guys, today is July 29 and I just got home. Hinatid ko si Mama tapos si Papa sa airport kasi today is our flight going back to Bicol. And grabe, like nasasad ako. Siyempre, for the longest time, I was there and parang siguro na overwhelmed lang ako sa thought na I'll be staying here most of the time na the next few years. Or maybe I'm just overthinking it kasi syempre meron naman kaming summer break. Guys, yun na-feel ko ngayon, it's very different. Nabasa ko sa social media na when you feel uncomfortable, it means you're growing. So, this is a really, really big opportunity for me to grow. Lalo na yung pag-move in ko. Yung sa school, parang, yes, kinakabahan na sunod, pero feeling ko, kaya yan. Pero like, yung moving to another place, which is Quezon City, I'm all alone. Sorry ako OA ha. Quezon City lang naman. The jet lag is real. Guys, gising pa ako dito mga 2 to 3 a.m. Kung di pa ako magmemelatin, hindi ako makakatulog. Tapos kahapon naman, we only have one day. Si Dichi, nauna na siya umuwi yesterday ng umaga. Kasi syempre, may mga need siyang asikasuhin, work. Tagal kami nawala, 15 days. So, kahapon, we only had one day kami ni Mama para mag-clutch na mamili for my condo sa QC. Kasi it's a bare condo unit, guys. And as you can see naman from the previous clip, syempre marami pang kulang. Ngayon, ang agenda ko lang today is to fix the whole condo. Itong condo ha. Kasi grabe guys, parang dinaanan ko ng bagyo dito. I have today and tomorrow to pack everything, to sort things out. Para sa 31, pupunta na lang sa QC for installation ng water heater ko sa shower. Tapos, installation din ng internet.
Guys, papakitaan ko kayo ng before and after. Yan. Mga kalat. As in, sort ko yan today kasi na-OC ako. Anyway, tas ito din pala yung mga binili ko for my condo in QC. Curtain, bedsheet, mop, and then other stuff. Kettle. Yan, mga ganito. Tapos parang standee.
Tapos yun ako pinaka-late na lumano na nalasan na ako. Na white na lang. Ano?
Making me hate you, probably think it's painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go act a fool.
Today is July 9:30. It's currently 3 in the afternoon. And ngayon pa lang ako magpa-prepare ng stuff ko for my move-in tomorrow.
I gotta sit down. You're making my head spin and I can't seem to figure out how you can be so sweet. 1 minute we're kissing in the rain, the next time in a drought. Please don't hold me, 'cause I'm afraid of where those hands have been. You say he's nothing, then why you smell like his cologne? Don't act like you don't know, I wouldn't put it.
So I bought this parang organizer. Nilagay ko muna dito yung towel ko. And I think I'm gonna get another towel. At least may dalawa lang ako na towels. Ito for the sink. Tapos ito naman, pot holder. Just in case kapag nagluto na ako, ganun. Wow, kala mo na pa nagluluto. Pet wipes. Small tissues. Ito, nabili ko to sa IKEA. Dito ko nilagay, guys, yung mga makeup ko. Ayun na sila. I bought a perfume. Narciso perfume. This smells so good. Very feminine yung scent. Bumili ako, guys, sa Muji ng notebooks. This costs 189 ata. And you get 5 notebooks na. So, sulit siya. And then, pencil case. Oh my gosh, ano pang price tag. So, I got a pencil case from Muji as well. Bumili lang ako ng parang marker to label things. And then ball pen. And then highlighter. Yan yung mga dadal ko. Ito yung mga groceries. Ang daming souvenirs ng kapatid ko na natira from the wedding. So, ito sila. Lalagay ko pala dito. Hi guys! So, today is July 31. Today is my move-in dun sa condo na i-rent near St. Luke's. So, kasama ko si Adrian, siya yung naglo-load ng mga gamit sa car. Tapos ngayon, parang tinadouble check ko na kung ano yung mga pwede kong makalimutan. Grabe. Thank you! Lipat bahay.
I think there's another universe where I haven't yet felt pain, and maybe in that other universe I'm a flower and you're the rain. I think somewhere in a different.
Hey guys, so today is my orientation sa med school, like face-to-face. It's currently 6:28. I have an hour to get ready. But before that, seek breakfast. Banana with lotus.
Okay, so ito na yung tsura ko, guys. Sorry, ang dumi ng mirror. Hindi ko pa nalilinisan. But yeah, white polo shirt lang. This is from Uniqlo. And then this one, Topshop pants lang. Guys, kinakabahan ako. Mukha lang hindi, pero kabado talaga ako. But kaya natin yan, girl. Let's do this.
Great girl, that's what they always say, and it hurts watching them just walk away. They use words to cover up what they don't feel.
Hi guys! Katapos lang, super overwhelmed pa ako. May jet lag pa naman ako, guys. As in, kanina, uncontrollable yung pantok ko talaga, guys. So, nakatulog ako for an hour. Tapos, ngayong afternoon, agenda ko lang is to navigate the website, yung Neo LMS. Yun yung kasi parang gagamitin namin for asynchronous classes or like sa mga assessments. By the way, andito yung FJ. Pero iuwi ko lang naman to. Sadyang, dinala ko lang siya kasi super lasang ulan. Guys, it's cadaver day and I'm just on my way to school. 10 minutes left. Medyo late now today pero late ako nagising. Hi guys! Today is a Friday, which means last school day of the week. And I survived my first week of med school. Pero ang dami kong gagawin, dami kong aralin. Babalik ako ng Makati. Mas makakaaral kasi ako dun guys kasi may table dun. Wala pang gamit pero pwede na tong tirahan. Di ko pa kayo mabigyan ng actual ano kasi super incomplete pa siya. Pero ayan. Nag-ayos naman ako before ko alis. Kauwi na ako guys, and ngayon magka-clutch edit lang ako kasi gusto ko mag-upload tomorrow. So it's been a while since I've uploaded something on YouTube. So ito na yung time, kahit di ko na alam kung kailan ako next mag-upload. Pero sa totoo lang, I'm so tired. Guys, ganito ba pag nagme-med? Super bilis ng oras. Bakit ang bilis? Kalma ka lang. Ayoko pa mag-Saturday. Kasi pa nag-Saturday na, meaning magsa-Sunday na. Pag nag-Sunday na, meaning magma-Monday na. Pag Monday na, meaning nun may pasok na. Hindi naman sa sobrang tamad ko mag-aral, guys. Pero, I need a lot of time to study. Wow, ang kapal ng mukha. Ngayon, nag-e-edit. Pero, gets niyo ba ako? Eh, wala eh. Ginusto ko to, Joyce eh. Sino ka ba? Sino ka ba para mag-reklamo dyan? Guys, para na akong temang. Edit mo na ako. Hi guys! Today is a Saturday and dapat pupunta kami ng Pampanga but hindi na natuloy. So ngayon, mag-aaral lang kami ni Adrian. Nandyan siya sa other car. Nag-convoy na lang kami kasi sabi ko wag niya na ako ihatid pabalik ng Makati. Kain muna kami sa Frankie's. Dala ko naman yung iPad ko so mag-aaral naman ako sa labas.
At least this is an okay farm for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come.
Grabe. Ito yung mga times na nami-miss ko mag-vlog talaga. Kasi wala akong makausap eh. Anyway, it's currently 3:35 and nagsastudy lang talaga kami ni Kope buong afternoon and mamayang gabi. So, nakapag-decide na ako na tomorrow na ako babalik. Wait lang, anong oras guys? Class ko tomorrow. Okay, so 9 again tomorrow. Alis na lang ako dito ng mga 6 to avoid traffic. I'm gonna go to Greenbelt. I'm going to attend mass. Dapat naisip ko kanina sa TV, pero feeling ko kailangan ko na outside essence. So, I'm going to Greenbelt. And bibili na rin ako ng multivitamins because pansin ko talaga na kulang ako sa nutrients. So, kailangan ko yun kasi bawal magkasakit sa medicine. Siguro doon na rin ako mag-dinner kasi dito hindi naman ako nakapag-dinner ng maayos. Kasi tamad ako maghugas. Nagme-memorize si ate girl. Hi! Ano pong nafe-feel mo?
I feel very nervous.
And?
But I think it's because we have the nervous system.
Kailangan ko na magsimba. Well, sabay kami ni Kope. Magsisimba rin siya. Yeah, ang ganda ng parking ko. Ito lang yung entrance. So, let's go! I'm on my way home na. Nagmas ako, nagpa-print ako ng photos, nagbinili ako, and then nag-take out na rin ako ng dinner ko para makakain ako ng maayos kasi mag-aaral ako tonight. Hindi pwedeng gutom, hindi pwedeng walang kain kasi tomorrow for sure hindi na naman ako makakain ng maayos. This is my dinner. I got beef pepper rice with egg. I'll get back na lang later. Mag-alone time muna ako kasi napagod ako. Ano ba yun? Update. Currently, 10:40 naman gabi. And kami ni Kope. Sabaw na. Isang trans pa lang ako.
Wala, yung one trans ko, di pa yun yung super aral baga.
2 minutes na lang. Meron kaming 45 minutes to study and then 15 minutes to break.
Pomodoro pa rin yan.
Parang nangaaway ka po. Uy, alam mo sa humili kanina sa mass, sabi transfiguration daw. Be patient.
Pero nga, nakikinig ako. Magbago na kayo.
Magbago na. Uy, transfiguration din yung sa inyo?
Alam mo, same gospel yan. Baluan. Saan ka ba nagsimba?
Hi guys, so I'm back here in
Quezon City. It's still kind of early. My class is at 9 a.m. And I'm planning to go there earlier today para makapagbasa ako in advance for my school later. I don't know if this could help, but for anyone na meron anatomy class, guys, these apps are useful. It's an atlas, tapos this could help you identify muscles, bones. It's complete. So, yun. If nahihirapan kayo mag-visualize, you need it. Anong grabe workout na to, guys? I'm in school. 11. Oh my gosh, my hair. Okay, ayos ko na mamaya. Anyway, aga ko. Ito yung earliest ko, 8:10. Class ko is at 9. So, wala. Gusto ko kasi magbasa. Hindi ako nakabasa for today's lecture. Yung kagabi kasi, inaaral ko pa yung last week.
And then you have...
Just got home. Super lumakas ng ulan, pauwi. Nag-take out lang ako ng food from Paros Retiro. Update lang. Kamusta po?
Ayaw ko. Basta, ang exam.
I cry when the moment's perfect. I cry when there's no words to say. I can't help it if I feel it. It comes pouring like the summer rain.
Hi guys! So it's my birthday! It's currently 12:30. Dumaan si Adrian to surprise me. Guys, hindi na ako nag-aabang ng birthday ko kasi I'm so stressed. I'm so tired. So, nagnanap ako. Tapos, nagising nga 12:06 kasi ka-discord ko lang si Kope. Tapos, biglang tumawag si Adrian. Tapos sabi niya, nasa labas daw siya. Tapos, pangit ko! Yan. Aral na ulit. It's my birthday! It's currently 8:22. Pupunta na ako school. Sunblock na lang ako. Guys, hindi na ako nagbe-makeup. This is so not me.
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time flow on.
Iisip ko, mas masarap ang pagkaon sa Hong Kong.
As I fall behind.
Ano to?
Dreaming about the future.
Para akong manghuhula. Currently, it's 12:44. So, mag-start pa lang ako. Kanina pa actually umalis sila Adrian eh. Pero, nandiyan ang phone lang ako. Nag-reply ako sa mga greetings, ganon. This year, my birthday is so simple. Na-invite ko lang is si Adrian and si John. John, my cousin. So, yun. Napasarap ibentuhan namin. Nag-enjoy ako. Pero syempre, mas masaya sana kung medyo complete. Like, andito yung mga kapatid ko. Tapos, friends. Diba?
Must have been dreaming the whole damn time. Do you think of me when you close your eyes? 'Cause
Ang ganda niya. Guys, look. I'm printing reviewers. Since anatomy, guys, yung exam namin, more on muscles, bones, and nerves, everything. We need to memorize everything. So, last night, I wasn't able to vlog. Lumabas ako last night with some of my friends, including Adrian. We ate dinner sa Rockwell. Pero hindi na ako napag-vlog because sabaw ako, guys. Natatawa ako kasi the past few days, my sleeping schedule was really messed up. So,
Hindi pa ako ulit nasasanay na kulang sa tulog, guys. Hi, everyone! Sige, on ko muna yung light kasi di nyo nakikita. I'm on my way to Glorieta kasi I need to buy ball pens. Kasi wala na akong ball pen. Actually, meron akong ball pen na isa. Tapos, accidentally nabigay ko siya sa isang tao na ka-interact ko this week. Hindi na ako mag-name names, but yeah. Kailangan ko siya. Naiinis nga ako kasi I already went to Rockwell last night. Tapos di pa ako bumali. Ang galing! Ang galing-galing! Oh, bigyan ng jacket. And guys, wala lang. Ayoko na ikwento kasi parang ang babaw. But, sige na nga, dahil mapilit kayo. What? Natutuwa lang ako this afternoon. Kasi, first time kong nag-aral ng masaya. If that makes sense. And, natutuwa ako pag naaalala ko yung binasa ko sa iPad. Kasi usually, ang studying style ko is more of writing. Like, sinusulat ko so that my brain could digest the information I've obtained. But, ayun na nga, medyo nagbasa lang si ate nyo, tapos naintindihan naman niya. I think, yun na nga, tama yung sister ko, tama lahat, na nasa adjustment period pa kasi ako. So, may study table na ako. Hindi pa rin ako, guys, makapag-room or like condo tour kasi I'm still busy. Ang dami kong ginagawa. Tapos, di pa ako nakapag-edit ng Balkan vlogs ko. So, hindi pa naman siya talaga rush. But anyway, ngayon, update lang. I'm studying for my first exam in med school. And, sasabihin ko lang ay ang daming aaralin. Like, oh my God. Yun, back to studying na ulit. Update lang talaga kasi na-bored ako bigla. But yeah, back to reading trances. Walang katapusan. Here with the view. Wait lang. Dami ko nakasampay. But like, wow.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start.
Today's a Friday. It's August 25. And I'm on my way out to see Kope, my best friend. Magsasamgip lang kami kasi deserve namin to. Kami lang na dalawa, guys. Kasi si Adrian, nanonood ng FIBA. Tapos si Kope, yung close friend niya naman, uwi ng Bicol. So basically, kaming dalawa lang talaga. Si Lubel, miss ko na. Si Foss, Jai, hello. But anyway, yun. Kakabuko lang ng Grab at pababa na ako. Kasi anytime darating na yan.